make touch sensor switch using this Arduino Uno microcontroller touch sensor switch to blink this LED blue. So I'm going to upload the code from the computer. This is now our touch sensor switch using Arduino Uno. So we are done uploading the code, and this is now our circuit without biscuit. This is a breadboard, a resistor, LED, jumper wires connected to the Arduino Uno microcontroller. And as you can see here, we have the touch pin. So since we are working with the touch sensor switch, we need the touch pin. Okay? Let us now powering the circuit. Let us get using the USB port. Okay? When I touch the pin, it will turn on the LED. And since we are done with the encoding, we can also use We can also use this our homemade power bank 5 volts using the cable to the Arduino. We now have the complete setup. When I touch the pin, it will turn on the LED. So we now have the touch sensor switch. This one is the touch sensor switch, and then Arduino Uno microcontroller and our power supply homemade power bank. We have now the figure 1 touch sensor switch using Arduino Uno microcontroller. This is the Arduino Uno microcontroller. We are just using 3 pins, 7, 4, 8, and then also one ground, and also for the power, the USB port. To the pin number 7, this is configured in the code as an output. And this one, 4 and 8, is the input. So the current flows outside, this one inside, because touch pin is connected to pin number 8 through the resistor 1 mega ohms to the pin 4 of the Arduino. And then the pin out 7 connected is the resistor for 70 ohms with the blue LED. So this is the LED output. That is the one we are controlling. It blinks on and off, or it turns on off. The ground of this LED is connected to the ground of Arduino Uno. They are interconnected or connected to each other. We are using 5 volt supply. That is the power bank. We are using a power bank to supply the circuit. Then what happens is when we touch the touch pin, this is our finger. When we touch the touch pin, it will turn on this LED. And when we release our finger, it will turn off the LED. So with the use of the code, with the use of Arduino code and Arduino Uno microcontroller, we can able to control the blue LED. And we are now making we made this, or we have now this touch sensor switch using Arduino Uno. Why is it that whenever we touch the pin, it turns on the LED? That is because our hands, or we as a human, we have this called capacitive reactance. So we serve as a capacitor. That's why when we are using the cell phone, we have the touch screen cell phone. We are just like a capacitor. We act as a capacitor to the touch pin of the Arduino. So we can deliver a small current here to the resistor 1 mega ohms, entering into the pin number 4 and pin number 8. With the use of the code, it will now flows out to the LED, the current. Since this pin number 7 is configured in the code as output, it will turn on this blue LED. With the use of the code. So we have now this touch sensor switch. Let us now test the module. Connect the supply. So you can see here, it did not work. But if I touch the ground, sometimes it works. When I touch the ground. It is unstable. Sometimes it works, sometimes it's not working. So I decided to create this without PCB. So it is more stable. What is the reason? The reason is when we place the components to the PCB, there is parasitic elements present into the PCB. That's why sometimes it works, sometimes it did not work. Without the PCB, it is isolated. Turns on. How about using this charger? Bobbin. Using the charger, now it's working. With PCB, it's working. Without the PCB, also working. So we need a stable supply for the Arduino, usually the charger, and more better is this charger than the power bank.